Hello, my name is Adilson Muzokola. In this video, I'll be demonstrating my cybersecurity awareness bot application using C#. This system is designed to help users learn about cybersecurity topics, manage tasks, take quizzes, and track activity logs in a single interactive application. First, we have main window XAML, which is responsible for user interface design. This file controls what the user sees on the screen, including the Chatbot tab where users can chat with the bot, the Task tab where users can add, complete, and delete tasks, the Quiz tab for cybersecurity questions, and the Activity Logs tab which tracks user actions. So in short, main window XAML handles the visual structure of the application. Next, we have main window XAML class, which handles the main application logic and user interaction. It also integrates extra features like the wave voice greeting on startup, displaying the AC art logo, and coordinating updates between chatbot and database. This class connects the user interface to the backend system. The chatbot engine class handles the intelligence of the chatbot. This is where all the responses logic is stored. It includes keyword detection for cybersecurity topics like phishing, VPN, and malware, topic tracking so the bot remembers what the user is talking about, like emotional detection, such as worried, curious, or confused. This class makes the chatbot feel more dynamic and human-like. Next is database helper class, which manages all communications with the SQL Server database. It handles adding new tasks, deleting tasks, marking tasks as completed, saving and retrieving activity logs. It uses SQL commands to store and retrieve data from tables like tasks and activity logs. This ensures that user data is saved permanently and not lost when the application closes. The application connects to a local SQL Server database called Cybersecurity Bot DB. This database stores user tasks, task reminders, activity logs, and it allows the application to function as a real data-driven system. So this is how the project demonstrates how cybersecurity can be built using a Windows presentation foundation for the interface, C# for logic, SQL Server for data storage. It combines multiple programming concepts including user interface design. When the application starts, the bot plays a voice greeting. Hello, welcome to the Cybersecurity Awareness Bot. I'm here to help you stay safe online. And displays an AC art logo to welcome the user. In the Chatbot tab, users can interact with the system using natural language. The chatbot responds to cybersecurity-related topics, such as phishing, passwords, VPN, malware, and privacy. So I'll tell it I'm interested in privacy. It says, online privacy helps protect your personal information from being misused. So if I tell it, tell me more, it tells me privacy can be improved by limiting personal information shared online, reviewing app permissions, and using strong security settings. The chatbot also supports emotional awareness. For example, if a user says they are worried or confused, it responds appropriately. If I tell it I'm worried about online scams, it says many people worry about privacy online. Reviewing account settings and limiting personal information sharing can help. So if I tell it to add a task, review online settings, It tells me task review online setting added successfully and asks if I would like to be reminded. Yes, and it responds sure. When would you like to be reminded? So I'll tell it in 3 days. It responded, reminded, noted. I'll associate review online settings with that reminder period. The chatbot ensures response remains consistent with previous information. So after creating the task, I can either mark it as complete or delete a task. So I can mark this task as complete. So for the quiz, I have 11 questions, which the first question asks, what does VPN stand for? So it stands for Virtual Private Network, which is correct. Is phishing a scam technique? Yes, correct. What should strong password contain? Letters, numbers, and symbols. Correct. What is malware? A cyber threat. Correct. Should you share password with others? No. Correct. What is two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication. Okay. Is public Wi-Fi always safe? No, not always. What does phishing try to steal? Personal information, which is correct. What should you do with suspicious email? Delete or report them. And what protects a computer from viruses? Antivirus software. And the final question, what should you do before clicking a link in an email? Verify the sender and URL, which is correct. So pretty much I got all the questions correct and it gave me a feedback. Excellent, you are a cybersecurity pro. So pretty much that's the quiz for the chatbot. For the activity logs, you can pretty much see all these quiz results. Activity log records all the actions the chatbot has taken, such as user interactions with the chatbot, user inputs, quiz answers, quiz results, completed tasks, and added tasks. All tasks and logs are stored in the SQL Server database. This ensures that data is persistent even after the application is closed. So if I go back and mark one of the tasks as complete, if I go back to the SQL table, it will show that it is complete after I refresh it. In conclusion, this cybersecurity awareness bot demonstrates key programming concepts including window, presentation foundation, user interface, design, database integration, chatbot logic, and basic natural language processing. It provides an interactive way for users to learn about cybersecurity awareness. Thank you for watching.